Hey everybody, Jason Wehrli with WCFab Side-by-Side. Today we're going to show you our Honda Talon 2 and 4 seat model lower door kits. So if you've got a Honda Talon side-by-side, you're familiar with the big opening in the lower door section. You get a lot of mud and debris coming up in this area, and you can also get sticks and other trail objects to protrude into the machine. Installing the doors is a very simple upgrade with basic hand tools and a drill. You'll remove the 8 Phillips screws that hold the outer door panel on, which will then expose 7 factory drill holes. With a drill, you'll drill out these locations and install the sheet metal door with supplied hardware. It's as simple as that, less than a half-hour install, providing you a safer, more protected ride from trail objects and debris, and a little bit more warmth in the cool weather. The doors are in stock, ready to ship in a fine texture black finish, which is a perfect match to the OEM black plastics. We've also got several Honda Talon matched OEM colors to choose from, and you can also choose custom colors if you'd like. We have 2-door kits, which fit the 2-door models and the front of the 4-door models, and we also have a complete 4-door kit, which includes lower doors for all 4. Designed and modeled in a CAD program to create exceptional fitment and smooth, clean flowing lines on the machine. That wraps up our heavy-duty aluminum lower door kit for the Honda Talon 2 and 4 seat models. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Be sure to follow us on social media for all the new Honda Talon products we've got coming.